In this video, I am going to show how to highlight the active row of the table. Let's start. First of all, click on any cell of the table and press the Ctrl and a key, which will select the entire table. If the table is selected, then under the Home tab, you can see Conditional Formatting. Click on it. Click on the new rule. A new window will open. Select the last rule, which uses the formula to format cells. Once you choose the rule, you can get an input field where you need to write equals row, equals cell, row. Click on the format. Here you can choose a highlighting color for the active row. Click OK. Here you can see that the row is highlighted, but it is not dynamic. Right-click on Sheet. Click on the View Code. You will see a new window. Click on the drop-down and select the worksheet. Write target.calculate. Close the window. Now you can see, the row of active cells is highlighted. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.